If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, respect them. Do not lose your integrity for anyone. Don't ever forget who was there for you when no one else was. You learn a lot about people when they don't get what they want. Be the reason someone believes in good people. The longer you live in the past, the less future you have to enjoy. You are a courageous person if you go through something heavy and come out better and stronger for it. If you want to be strong, learn how to fight alone. It's time to start living the life you have always wanted. Only a few people care, the rest are just curious. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you. Are not you glad you stopped waiting for them to choose you? Are not you glad you choose yourself? Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. Dirty hands are a sign of green money. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Never be afraid to say what you really feel. Go easy on yourself. You are doing the best you can. It's only a matter of time to realize. Better do it rather having a later regret. Here are some positive vibes for you. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to surf. I like people who don't need everyone to like them. Be good to people for no reason.